Want star transitions like this? First, add a plain color overlay. I'll be using black. Then make the photo 0.5 seconds long. Then click on the overlay and scroll on the bottom till you see mask and click on it. Then click on star, then on invert. Then add a keyframe at the very end, then add a keyframe at the very beginning and resize it so you can no longer see the overlay. Then click on graphs and select cubic in. Then duplicate the overlay. Click on the second overlay and scroll on the bottom till you see mask and click on it. Click on the first keyframe and delete it and add a new keyframe. Click on the second keyframe and click on invert. Click on stars and go to the size section and resize it to 100. Click on graphs and select cubic out. Click on the second overlay and click on animations, then out, and select the fade out animation. For the two photos, we're going to add the bouncy rush animation under the combo section. And done.